Hello, everybody, and welcome back to yet another Coinsider live stream. Before I get into it, you know what to do. Quick mic check. Let me know if I sound good. Let me know if I need to turn up the volume or if it's too loud, too soft. Let me know before I dive in, and I'll just make sure that it's proper for y'all. So I'm just gonna wait here for a sec. While we do a quick mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Do I sound good? Let me see. Getting messages. Let's see. Mic check, okay. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, folks. Thank you so much. So, guys, you know, I come at you every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12 noon Eastern time. So you can join me consistently. You know when my next stream is going to be. In today's stream, it was a bit of a slow news day. So I was like, what topic should I do the stream on? I almost decided to not do the stream, but then I was like, wait, why don't I do something really special and just dive into what I consider to be the best community in all of crypto, the best community for retail investors? As you can imagine, that's Retail DAO. And so I kind of want to dedicate this entire stream to covering what Retail DAO is, why you should join, what we're looking to do there, and answering any questions you may have. So this is going to be a really interactive stream, okay? It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be special. And for those watching afterwards, I will leave the timestamps for you if you want to jump around. And also, as always, if you could help me out, the goal is 100 likes on the stream. We've been able to get that consistently, so let's try to do it again. If you can smash that like, whether you're watching it now or if you're watching the VOD afterwards. Okay. So, first of all, let me share my screen. Let me see if I can like this. Nah, yeah, I like this. Okay. So, Retail DAO is a token gated community for savvy retail investors. So, basically, how I like to describe it is it's not for people who just like to get like spoon fed stuff from various influencers, right? Because that's how you get wrecked in crypto. You should know this by now. If you've been in here for like more than half a year, you know that just blindly following influencers, thinking that they're always right or that there's some guru or god, that's how you get wrecked. So what we've built is something different. This is a place for like-minded retail investors to kind of support each other, share notes, debate, discuss, be smart, be savvy, not just rely on influencers who will get you wrecked because their incentives are different from yours. Okay? Thank you for the mic check, and hello, DeFi Krosnick. Hello, everybody. But let us start at the very beginning. Why Retail DAO, right? Like, what's the why behind here? So, like I said, it's a hard knock life for retail investors in crypto and in stocks. It's a hard knock life. I mean, we're more powerful than ever before. It's like it's the rise of the retail investors in the past decade. We have more power than ever before. It used to be only the sharks on Wall Street. They got all this good stuff. We had to just buy index funds, but now we can get in on things like GameStop, Palantir, crypto, Bitcoin, retail early on a lot of those that absolutely rocketed. But there's a few problems here, right? There's a few problems for retail investors that I'm sure you all know well. One is that there's just too much stuff going on, right? There's too much. The space moves so fast. If you're not paying attention 24/7, then you're behind on the info. You miss crucial alpha and things like that. So, I mean, obviously you could just continue to do your research, but you really need to kind of do it full time. And there's just too much stuff out there. So that's why a lot of people rely on KOLs, gurus, influencers that spoon feed them, because that kind of like they do the research for you. But the problem is, like I said, there's a lot of them that have misaligned incentives, right? And I'm technically a KOL too, so I can tell you the truth here. Misaligned incentives. And they arguably don't know any better than us. Like, they're just normal people who do their own research, right? So we are arguably just as good, if not better, as them if we take more time, actually try things out and do our research, right? So instead of relying on them, why not join a community that helps each other out? We're all like-minded, we all support each other, and we really kind of utilize the wisdom of the crowd. That's the key here, guys. The wisdom of the crowd. That's the whole point of Retail DAO. Let me check out some comments real quick. So that is really the why, right? There's like too much info, everything's fragmented, everything is like moving so quickly, and you can't really trust like the KOLs or gurus to spoon feed you. So that's why we made Retail DAO. Now, let me move on to the next part. What is our mission? What is our vision? Is to become the best community for retail investors in the entire world. Yes, we are crypto people. We start with crypto, but we don't only have to be, right? In the future, we can, I mean, some people talk about stocks, like the United Healthcare. They had a big drop and some people were buying it, right? Some people buy crypto stocks like Coinbase, Robinhood, Galaxy. They've all been doing really well. I'm in on Galaxy, or even like the BTC treasury companies, ETH treasury companies, things like that, right? So we want to be a place where it's clean, where everyone stays engaged even during boring bear markets, right? Because there's still opportunities during bear markets. And I promise that I will stay engaged throughout, and I won't be like those gurus when these are boring, they just disappear on you. I'm not a guru, okay? But I will be there with you guys looking for opportunities. Because if you remember, even during the bear market, there are things that absolutely rocket. There are diamonds in the rough, and that's when it pays off the most to lock in, because there's not as much competition or fluff around there. So we want to build the best community of retail investors out there that really empower each other, help us reach our financial goals, and really just be like, don't be like the insiders cabal, right? We be open for everybody. I mean, you do need the token to join, but we do want to keep it accessible for people. And I'll get into the token a little bit more, but I think one big difference between Retail DAO and paid groups is that paid groups, once you pay them for a month, you can't get your money back. I mean, maybe they give you like a refund or whatnot, but in Retail DAO, if you hold the token, you can get in, you can access the token gated channels in our Discord. And if you decide at any time you don't like it anymore, you could sell your tokens, right? So it's not the same as a normal paid group. Now, lots of opportunities in bear markets for sure. Hello, Maxwell. How are you? So let's get into how Retail DAO works. Okay, yeah, I like this. So how Retail DAO works is we're primarily a Discord, right? And inside the Discord, there's a lot of different things. There's like a Reddit-like alpha forum where people can write posts about like the opportunities they see. And there's been some crazy ones that have gotten me significant gains there. There's a dedicated airdrop thread. People just share airdrop notes, and you can just like scroll through to see which ones you want to potentially farm. There's a lot of real-time discussions, In our dedicated trading channel, there's charts and signals. This is pro only though. And then there's institutional level research reports and signals that you can get via Crypto EQ Premium. If you are VIP tier, you get that for free. If you don't know what Crypto EQ is, it's like Masari or Delphi Digital, but way more friendly for retail investors. So we have a partnership with them. Some of their founders are contributors on Retail DAO, but that's kind of how it works. And in terms of how you join, you just need some retail tokens. You get some ETH on the base network, swap it for retail, at least 20K tokens, which is like 18 bucks or so. Join our Discord and verify your wallet. That's it. You're in. Now, there are 3 membership tiers, okay? Basic, which is 20K retail, which is like less than 20 bucks. 100K, which gets you charts and trading channel and also priority for giveaways and deals, which we have had in the past. Like we had free bets from Soul Casino, and pro and VIP members got first access to that. And then VIP, there's a whales only channel and also Crypto EQ Premium as well for free. So we're looking to add a lot more different benefits and features that I'll talk to you about this in a bit. And we also have some testimonials here. Let's see, what else am I missing here? So there is the Discord, but there's also governance, because we really do wait, let me stop sharing the screen. We really do treat this as a real DAO. Like we do on-chain governance via Aragon. We also do on-chain governance. We also have like snapshots, which is not really on-chain, but it does read your token balance. And we also do Discord polls. So it's a real DAO. It's not like one person has complete say over what happens, right? We have votes. People can vote against it. There's actually proposals that have kind of been shot down by the community. And if you guys want to get involved, you can put up your own proposals too. It's like the other DAOs in the crypto space, right? The true DAOs. You can put up your own proposals. You can vote against, and it's a lot of like community-led building going on in here. We also have a contributors team, but people can join that if there's something that you want to do and that we vote is like valuable for the whole community and DAO. Then you can get some tokens for that and you can join the contributors team. We also have a weekly contributors call that's open for anyone to join in and listen on. It's Tuesday mornings, USA time. And it's like one of the events in the Discord. So you can check that out if you want. Let's see. Yeah, Vinayak, that's a good point. It is a community-driven DAO, but as we get more people in here, as we grow more, we may get people who are skilled in trenching and skilled in. We need people not only skilled in trenching, people good at trading, different styles of trading. We need people who are good at macro, and we need people good at everything, right? There's a lot of different opportunities, a lot of different skill sets. We would love for people to join who are skilled at various things and get rewards, right? That's the DAO to earn part of it. Like if you add things that are valuable for the group, you will get rewarded in retail tokens. Retail is gone already. I honestly disagree. There is still retail around. Is it as crazy as it was in 2021 and 2017? No, it is not. But there are still people here in the community and also just in the space. So what do you get out of it, right? Well, this is kind of what I said already, but you get alpha that's shared from other people, the wisdom of the crowd. There are tools as well. Like I am building out for our roadmap phase 2, I'm building out a hub for pro and VIP members, and they'll get to see like different indicators that we handpick. I mean, are those indicators available elsewhere? Yes, but we pick the best ones that we think people should be focused on and put it all in one place. So that's going to be a token gated dashboard. We have crypto EQ, which is already have their swing trading signals and their institutional style reports. It's also a great place. The DAO is also a great place to network. You can meet people who want to build stuff, who want to trade notes, who want to help each other out. You can network with people, right? And just if you're a newbie, you can also get help as well around the DAO. There's people always friendly and supportive, looking to help out. So for those who are wondering about our track record, well, I mean, you guys know me, right? I've been around for a long time, so I vouch for it. But if you want more track record, you can also just check out our socials, right? Our socials are a great place to wait. Let me. Yeah, our socials are a great place. Like you can see who's following us, and you could see just our activities. We run a I mean, there's some memes too, but we run a KOL call tracker. We have left our receipts of various calls that we've made in the past, right? So we've been around. There's a lot of track record that you can look through. And a lot of our members, like I said, Coincider, also Crypto EQ is also a big part of this, and some other members. And you can also check out our testimonials, right? Like these are some members within our Discord. They're also on X and whatnot, but you can check out what they have to say about the community. So that is like, I think we have a good track record that anyone can check out. But let's see. Let's talk a little bit more about the retail token. So wait, let me pull up my. The retail token is a utility token. It's used for membership access, governance, and just access to all the different things you get out of this, right? Like access to the giveaways and deals from our partners, and access to crypto EQ if you're VIP tier, access to the trading channel if you're pro tier, or just access to the alpha forum and the general chat if you're a basic member, right? So it's an access token. It's also a governance token too, because if you have more token balance, your voice counts more in the governance proposals. That's pretty straightforward. And we don't have any VC raises. We did a big airdrop to the community. And in the future, as the community approves other things and builds out more things, it's going to get more and more valuable in terms of the access and the tools and the benefits that you get, right? It's pretty simple what the retail token is for. And our stuff is token gated. So like I said, if you hold it in your base wallet, like MetaMask or Phantom or Rabby or whatever other thing, you just connect it in our Collabland bot. It just reads the balance, and you're in, and you get the role in the Discord accordingly. So yeah, I think that's pretty straightforward. Yes, Hall of Fame channel has a bunch of our track record. Like if you're wondering if we actually have good calls in there, go to the Hall of Fame channel, which everyone can see in the Discord, and you can see the receipts. Welcome back, Al. Hello, Habesha. What is the token cap supply? Great question. It's 1 billion tokens. If you want to know more about our tokenomics, you can go right here into docs, and it's a GitHub docs tokenomics overview, and you can see the contract address. You could see the there needs to be a comma here, but 1 billion retail and initial distribution. Look, initial distribution, community treasury, airdrops, first main airdrop, only 4.5% contributors team, and then early participants who were in the Discord and in the DAO before the token generation event happened got some too. So yeah, a lot of your questions. And look, there's also this pie chart and whatnot. Utility, everything I kind of mentioned is here in the if you just go here to the docs right here, you can see that page. So let's see. So let's talk about the future and what's next for Retail DAO. I am really excited because we have a roadmap phase 2 that we announced in our Discord. Let me see. Can everybody see that page? No. It is only if you're a verified member. But actually, you know what? Let me try to share my screen there so you guys can see it too, because I'm really excited about. One sec. Give me a second, folks. Okay, streamer mode activated. And let me share my screen. Okay. So we finished our roadmap phase 1 a few weeks ago, and I was really proud of it. So what we finished there was a lot of stuff, right? Season 2 airdrop, integrate with crypto EQ, adjust and fix our XP reward systems to have better incentives, launch our ambassador programs, revamp our website, get a Discord server tag, get listed on CoinGecko. One thing is still in progress, but that should end soon in terms of getting our token verified on Basescan. So really proud of us for finishing that. But roadmap phase 2, I'm super excited about. We are going to level up our growth and content significantly. We're going to do a raids program. We're going to do like actual social content calendar with clips, videos, reply guides, posts. We're going to find more external partners for deals for our community members, like, for example, TradingView or some exchange or some wallet or whatever. We're going to try to find deals from external partners for you guys. Another thing is that I'm working on, we're going to create a Retail DAO hub where you can get things like our top charts and resources and like airdrop calendar. We're going to add all of that in there. That's going to be a massive task, but it's going to be so valuable for y'all. Like I think people are going to log in and check that out multiple times a week. I mean, I would, because I go to CoinGecko, CoinGlass, Nansen, whatever, right? But I want to put the best parts of all of those in one place. And then we want to more intentionally join the Base ecosystem, right? To become known as a Base project, because Oh, also, we want to have a big community presence on the Base app once it becomes public. Because we are on Base. Retail is on Base. We do our on-chain governance on Base. We want to become one of the biggest DAOs, if not the biggest DAO on Base. So we want to join the Base ecosystem more intentionally. Maybe get a shout out from Jesse or some big Base KOL, right? So yeah, I'm really excited about all that stuff. And remember the news where they said Coinbase is going to offer access to all Base DEX tokens on Coinbase.com or Coinbase app. That means you would be able to buy retail token directly from Coinbase. That is going to be such a massive unlock for us. People don't have to jump through hoops anymore to get retail and to join our DAO. That is going to be like a 10x unlock, and it's coming soon. So that's going to be amazing, to be honest. Maverick, it's like $18 or so for the 20K retail if you want the basic tier. But if you whatchamacallit, like I said, you can sell at any time. If you don't like it, you can sell it. But that does mean the bots will remove your access in 24 hours. Invite code. If I had any invite codes, I would give it to y'all. And I would give it to the Retail DAO VIP first. I don't have any right now, but I did get just one invite code for myself. I just had to check it out. I can't wait to have a big presence from the Retail DAOs in the Base app. Yeah, I would use a TradingView deal myself, like no lie. But we're still working on that. Perfect time, live Q&A segment. Let me see what else I'm missing. Yeah, I mean, we're bigger than just a normal Discord group. We are a real DAO. We have incentives aligned via token rewards. We do on-chain governance. We really want to lean in to what I consider to be the retail investor megatrend, right? Retail investors are on the up and up over the past decade. We have more power than ever before, and we can find success in our investing journeys if we come together and help each other out, debate, discuss, share opportunities, keep each other updated, support each other, and just keep ourselves like level-headed, right? That is what we're trying to do here. And I'm super bullish on it. I mean, I am an early contributor, and I can just see this being like having a lot of great people in it, and like being beyond just a pure investment group, right? We want to be a family in there. I know this is kind of cliche, but be a family in there. And in the future, we can like play games together. We had poker nights before. That was really fun. I won a poker night, by the way. I'm not even good at poker, but I won a poker night. That was so fun. And a bunch of other stuff, right? Like we can also launch stuff with each other. Like if there's a new meta, or let's say we want to do a retail DAO, like owl PFP, a cute owls instead of cute penguins. What about some cute owls, right? Would you put that on your X profile? I would. Cute owls. There's a lot of things that we can do. The sky's the limit. Like if you're a builder, you can come in and get support and get people to help test things out or find people to build with you, right? During the AI agent meta, people were like kind of creating AI agents with each other. So that was kind of fun and interesting to see. So it's just the sky's the limit is my point. And yeah, I mean, I left the link. Did I leave a link in the description? I did leave the link in the description. I just remembered. So just check that out. Perks of being in VIP. Great question. Let me show you. One sec. Let me share screen again. Okay. Perks and Bean and VIPs down here. So you get everything in Pro and Basic. So that's general chat, alpha forum, charts trading channel, priority for any giveaways or deals, including the ones that we're working on for this roadmap phase 2. And then VIP only whales channel, and then crypto EQ premium, which is the one I showed you here. This premium, like institutional level research reports, and they also have signals as well. Can I sign in here? Like here, let me show this to you. Like they have signals too. Investor signal, day trader signal, and then they have like core report, full report. Look how long this is. This is institutional level report. Institutional level for many different assets. And it's friendly for retail investors. Look how long this is, like 50 pages. And you can also see it for other stuff like Chainlink, for example. Oh my goodness, they spend so much time on this. Look at all these charts and visualizations too. And it's not only the bullish stuff, there's like vulnerabilities too. Right? So yeah, I think VIP is worth it. But if you want to just come in and check us out as a DAO NFTs are already being discussed. I'm sure they will be coming too. That's awesome. I definitely want a cute OWL PFP. Trade calls. People do share trade calls in the pro trading channel. So yes, you will see that as a VIP member because you get everything in the pro tier, right? And you also get the trade calls in crypto EQ because you get free access as part of your VIP tier, free access to crypto EQ premium. Guys, there's no TradingView deal yet. I'm just saying that we're working on it. That was an example of an external partner that we're working on securing deals and discounts for our community. And the priority is going to be VIP and pro members. So like, I'm just saying like a hypothetical deal, like 25% off, you know, I need that. I want that. But we're looking for stuff like that. And maybe we'll do some exchange deals, some wallet deals, maybe like some DEX aggregator deals and things like that. Yeah, we're working on it. Not me, other people in the DAO are working on it. I'm working on building the Retail DAO hub. Can I show you? Yes, I can. Let's see. One sec. How do I? One sec. Let me show you. Okie dokie. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is our Reddit style alpha forum. Like we have stuff on trading, on like Pump Fun, Stable L1, like weekly market events. People are even updating us on the weekly market events, right? ENA, macro analysis, test nets for Monad, and some other stuff. We have the general chat where people share stuff, talk about the news, just any reactions, things like that. And then we have the trading signals, which is for pro and above, VIP only. And we got like a crypto EQ alert in here. Hall of Fame. This is where you see our best calls in history. There's a lot, as you can see. There's a lot of calls. and other stuff. But yeah, I think you get the idea. What you see depends on what tier you are, Graham. Crypto EQ is it's like Masari or Delphi Digital. It has institutional level research reports, and it has like sentiment analysis and signals but it's instead of Masari and Delphi Digital is more in tune for the retail investor audience. Yes, 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 yes. You will get Crypto EQ Premium for free as a VIP tier member. And it's great for analysts and researchers and swing traders. Like, you should check it out. And yeah, it's amazing. Bull market is real or real? I'd like to think it's real. GM quarter crawler. Okay, folks, I had a great time. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions, but I think that's it. I told you from start to finish what Retail DAO is about and why I think everyone who wants to take their investing journey seriously should join us there. The key thing is like-minded investors. The key thing is that we're engaged and supportive. And the key thing is that we utilize the wisdom of the crowd instead of just like some guru spoon feeding you, right? And everything works around the token incentives system that we've kind of designed and developed. And we're looking to add more tools and benefits and features to the different tiers as we go. Yeah, it has limited seats, but we still have quite a bit of seats left. So that's why I didn't mention that for now. All right, folks, I had a great time. I'll see y'all on Friday. I see you on Friday, and it'll be back to a normal stream. I said this one was a slow news day, so I wanted to do something a little bit different. But yeah, see y'all on Friday.